Hey Hershey. Do you wanna play a game? Yes? What about you, Tamara? Tamara, do you wanna play a game? Tamara? Hershey? Okay, let's play the game. I got this game for my dogs. I think only Hershey likes to play this game a lot, but we'll see, maybe other dogs will play. I will put this Simply Beef soju treats I put in the mason jar. This part probably a bit difficult for him, but we'll see. You decided to take a nap on your game? Look here. Hershey will eat. How about this? Look. We can open this and this. This treats to the other place. That's probably difficult for you. Ooh. Okay, wait. Okay. This is easy peasy for you, but you have to open other stuff. Yay, good job, Hershey, you found it, finally. Next week we'll have a sniff blanket, so probably that will be easier, more fun for you than this one. You done? You didn't want to do the other one. Next week other game will come in. Yes? We bought other game? Good boy, Hershey. Yes, you're a good boy. Excuse you. Say bye to everyone. Bye. Love you all. Yes? See you next week with the new game. No more treats, sorry buddy. You ate it all.